Hey guys! Today I want to show you my favorite exercises on the kitchen. Sometimes I do exercises on the kitchen, why not? Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, one of them. Very nice. And of course, stretching exercise. If you want to be flexible, you should do exercises every day, and I do it. Now, this is a back exercise, stretching my shoulders. This is a good exercise for my shoulders. Good, very good. For back and for shoulders. I love this exercise so much. This is also a very good exercise. Oh, I need someone to hold me. Yes. I'll show you my favorite exercises. I hope you like them. I hope they are useful. Kiss you.